If you can't remember the last time that you changed your engine air filter, it's probably been too long. We just swapped ours on my husband's 2018 Hyundai Elantra, and I want to show you the one that we went with. This engine air filter is a really solid choice for several Hyundai and Kia models. Your engine air filter is basically your engine's first line of defense. It keeps dust, dirt, pollen, and debris from getting into the engine where it can cause real damage over time. So, a clean engine filter means that your engine can breathe properly, which helps with performance and fuel efficiency. The filter media on this one is really well made. It's designed to capture particles while still maintaining great airflow so your engine is protected without being restricted. You can actually see the quality in the construction, which I always appreciate. It fits our 2018 Hyundai Elantra perfectly, but it's also compatible with several other Hyundai and Kia models. So just make sure to verify your specific year and model before ordering. It's one of those simple maintenance swaps that's so easy to put off, but it makes a real difference in how your engine runs. So if you're due for a filter change, this one is a great choice to go with.